so namhlanje ade kwenziwa i-draw yama-quarter finals. Nawo ama-team awu-80 angenile. Joinwazi wonke lama-team la, khona Orlando Pirates, khona Sundowns, khona Al Ahly, khona Al Hilal, khona AS Tunis, khona MC Alger, khona Asfar, Pyramids FC. Wona ama-team lawa angenile. Yenziwe futhi i-draw ye-CAF Confed. Lapho sibone khona iqembu la eSouth Africa liyobhekana neZamalek. iStellenbosch FC sotholana phezulu neZamalek, i-team yale e-Egypt, i-team eyiyona i-champion ye-CAF Confed. But-ke right now ngizokhuluma nge-CAF Champions League la khona i-Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns. Ade kwenziwa ama-quarter final draw results. Njengoba sibona imatch yokuqala i-Al Ahly siyibone idlala ne-Al Hilal, i-team yale eSouth Sudan. Sabona ne-Pyramids FC iyodlala ne-Asfar. Pyramids FC i-team yase-Egypt futhi mase kuthi Asfar Mamelodi Sundowns yotholana ne-AS Tunis, iclub yase-Tunisia. Menikhumbula kahle bafethu, i-AS Tunis yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-semi-finals last season. Shaya iMamelodi Sundowns kuma-semi-finals, yahamba i-AS Tunis yodlala i-final ne-Al Ahly, lapho yashawa khona-ke i-AS Tunis. But-ke bafethu kuzobe kuyi-quarter final draw, kuzobe kuyi-quarter final match emnandi le iMamelodi Sundowns ne-AS Tunis, because iMamelodi Sundowns izofuna ukubuyisela induku kule club yabakhipha kuma-semi-finals last season. Mase siza ku-match yes4. Match yes4 sibona khona i-MC Alger versus Orlando Pirates. Lapho khona i-first leg yalowo match MC Alger yobidlala home, Orlando Pirates yobidlala away. Iwona-ke ama-quarter final draws lawo ayenziwe namhlanje. Yabo, ungangitshela-ke wena ukuthi i-club yakho oyisupportayo ithole i-draw kanjani. Is it a favorable draw noma i-draw enzima kakhulu? But-ke akugcinanga la, benzile namanye ama-draws e-semi-final. Njengoba sibona la, sobona ama-draws e-semi-final lana ama-club engenzeka abhekane, yabo, between AS Tunis or iMamelodi Sundowns. I-team ezowina lapho izobhekana ne-Al Ahly or i-Al Hilal. Yabona imatch yokuqala lapha phezulu bafethu sobe kuyimatch ngempela. Leya semi-final ephezulu between i-winner of Q3, i-winner of QF3 noma i-winner of QF1. Kuzobe kunzima ngempela bafethu, because wo-follow ama-team aphezulu uyawabona nje iMamelodi Sundowns, i-AS Tunis, Al Ahly ne-Al Hilal, ama-team ashisa ngempela. Yabo, i-Sundowns miwina ingabhekana ne-Al Ahly, i-AS Tunis miwina ingabhekana futhi ne-Al Ahly noma i-Al Hilal. Yabo, ngangitshela kona ukuthi ufuna ukubona yiphi semi-final, but ngokwami I see iMamelodi Sundowns idlula, I see Al Ahly futhi idlula, so bangabhekana bawu-2 kuma-semi-finals. Mase sithi la kwi-winner of QF4 ne-winner of QF2 bazobhekana ndawonye, MC Alger or i-Orlando Pirates. Mase kube Pyramids or i-Asfar. Yabo, ngenzeka la i-win Orlando Pirates iye kuma-semi-final, mhlambe ibhekane ne-Pyramids FC, yabo, noma ibhekane ne-Asfar, singesazi. But there is a possibility ukuthi lama clubs ase-South Africa angatholana kwi-final. Singesazi-ke bafethu, i-Champions League le, anything is possible, yabo. But wena ungangitshela ukuthi club yakho ngenzeka yini ifike kwi-final noma cha, ngoba uma ubheka la i-Orlando Pirates ngeke ikwazi ukuhlangana ne-Al Ahly kuma-semi-finals, iyozihlangane nayo kwi-final, yabo. Ngeke ikwazi futhi ukuhlangana ne-Mamelodi Sundowns kuma-semi-finals, iyozihlangane kwi-final, yabo. So nje izinto mezimkanje zimnandi ngempela. I-Champions League iyeza bafethu, i-Champions League iyeza ngempela.